The all-new XPENG MONA L03 has always been marketed as the first smart SUV for young people. What exactly do young people want? Other companies might not know, but this question is definitely not a challenge for XPENG. After all, the MONA M03, which is also promoted as the first smart sedan for young people, has already proven itself in the market. Today, let's take a first look at the all-new XPENG MONA L03. The design this time was personally led by the former head of design at Ferrari, resulting in an overall coupe-style fastback SUV look. With a golden wheel-to-height ratio of 0.46, the side profile instantly delivers a highly sporty feel. Although it measures 4.65 meters in length, it boasts a wheelbase of 2,850 millimeters, offering mid-size cabin space within compact dimensions. We will look closer at the interior space later. Furthermore, the brand has incorporated extensive aerodynamic optimizations featuring around 22 such details across the vehicle. The most eye-catching are definitely the air ducts and the ducktail. It is worth noting that these are functional air ducts, bringing the drag coefficient down to 0.228. Combined with XPENG's consistently strong energy management, the range of this car is expected to be excellent. Let's look at the front design. The signature MONA Starship headlights continue to be used but have been further optimized. For instance, the upper and lower sections feature a grille pattern housing over 400 LED light beads with 3 distinct welcoming effects. Below, the AGS active intake grille is retained, which is aesthetically pleasing while optimizing drag and heat dissipation. The rear light cluster is a major redesign compared to the M03, featuring a full-width ring taillight design. It is packed with 288 ultra-red LEDs, which not only look better but also provide a subtle diffuse reflection effect for improved visibility in rainy or foggy weather. One detail to highlight is the 6 exterior color options. Not only does each look great, but the paint quality has also been significantly upgraded. Thanks to a 3C to be coating process, the paint finish appears much brighter and exhibits a stronger sheen, particularly under indoor studio lighting. As for the interior, young people certainly do not want a cheap plastic feel. Frankly, the MONA L03 does not hold back on materials, featuring a soft touch coverage rate of up to 70% throughout the cabin. Almost everywhere my hands can reach is made of soft materials. The door panels, the lower edge of the center console, and the armrest box lack any cheap plastic sensation, which is quite rare in this price range. The entire interior adopts a minimalist style. While there is no traditional instrument cluster, it is replaced by a large 26.8-inch HUD, accompanied by a 256-color wraparound ambient light system. A 4.15-meter-long light strip encircles the door panels and the center console. When the lights dim, the cabin creates an incredibly atmospheric vibe. Overhead is a dual-layer silver-plated panoramic canopy, which provides an unobstructed view while offering UV protection. What surprised me the most this time is that the front passenger seat is a zero-gravity seat with 14-point seat massage. This is likely unique in its class. In terms of overall practicality, the vehicle also exceeds expectations, offering 40 storage locations throughout the cabin. The hollowed-out area beneath the center console, the door card pockets, and the small compartments around the cup holders provide designated spots for phones, cups, and other items. Additionally, there are 23 expansion interfaces throughout the car, including magnetic mounts, hooks, and the 1/4-inch threaded ports favored by media professionals. It covers almost all daily usage scenarios, large and small. This car also features a front trunk with a capacity of 100 liters. Although it lacks an electric release, it remains highly practical. The manufacturer has also designed partitions to expand its usability for various storage needs. Meanwhile, the rear trunk offers a standard cargo volume of 539 liters, which is quite generous. There is also an additional deep recessed storage well underneath to accommodate plenty of items when traveling. Therefore, space is likely the least of your concerns. Even the MONA M03 sedan has a very decent rear seat. Sitting in the back, I can easily cross my legs and there's still ample headroom overhead. The most eye-catching highlight of this car is undoubtedly its assisted driving system. The signature blue light is present. It will also represent the industry's first implementation of a 15 TOPS onboard computing power in an SUV of this segment. XPENG's second-generation assisted driving system will be equipped as well. This makes me look forward to its dynamic driving experience. The all-new XPENG MONA L03 will offer both range extended and pure electric versions. The range extended version is expected to achieve a combined range of over 1,300 kilometers, with a pure electric range of 310 kilometers. Meanwhile, the pure electric version will deliver a range of up to 620 kilometers. These two powertrain options should cater well to different user demographics. Following this static experience, the MONA L03 appears to successfully address the aesthetics, details, practicality, and smart features that matter to young buyers. We now await the final pricing announcement in July. The brand has consistently emphasized a $10,000 class price range, and based on what we know about XPENG, there may be pleasant surprises at launch. What do you expect the final price of this car to be?